Question. An open rectangular box is made by excluding the 4 identical corners of a piece of paper as shown in the diagram and then folding it along the dotted lines. The capacity of the box in centimeter cube is options A. 8000, B. 1000, C. 4000 and D. 6000. Solution. The rectangular box formed after folding will be of length 20 cm, breadth 20 cm and height 10 cm. We know that the volume of a cuboid equals the product of its length, breadth and height. Therefore, the volume or the capacity of the cuboidal box equals 20 into 20 into 10, that is 4000 centimeter cube. The right answer to the question is option C.